The salt spray kissed Rosie Rose's face, a familiar scent from her childhood in Port Antonio. Even in her crisp police blues, a wisp of her signature afro curl escaped her cap, a rebellious reminder of the carefree girl who used to climb mango trees and chase after stray goats. Back then, she was just Rosie, the barefoot wild child with a glow as bright as the Jamaican sun. Rosie had always felt a fierce protectiveness towards her community. As a child, she'd stood up to bullies who picked on the younger kids. As a teenager, she'd organized beach cleanups. Now, as Constable Rosie Rose, she walked the streets, her boots thudding a steady rhythm against the pavement, a promise of safety echoing in the air. One sweltering afternoon, a commotion erupted near the market. A tourist, wide-eyed and panicked, was shouting about a stolen bag. Rosie, guided by the escalating voices, arrived to find the tourist pointing at a young boy, no older than 10, clutching a leather satchel. The crowd was growing restless, murmuring accusations. Rosie stepped forward, her calm presence cutting through the tension. All right, Mech, we hear both sides, she said, her voice a soothing melody against the harsh accusations. She knelt down, her eyes level with the boy's. What's your name, son? He mumbled. Garnet, Rosie repeated gently. Tell me what happened. Garnet explained, his voice trembling, that he'd found the bag abandoned near the docks. He was planning on taking it to the police station, but got distracted by the sweet smell of sugar cane being sold. Rosie turned to the tourist. Sir, can you verify the contents of the bag? After a frantic rummage, the tourist's face flushed. Oh dear! It seems I had my passport and wallet in my other bag. I am so sorry! The crowd buzzed with relief. Rosie smiled, a genuine, warm smile that reached her eyes. She placed a hand on Garnet's shoulder. Garnet, you are a good youth. Next time, bring it straight to the station, all right? As the tourist thanked her profusely, Rosie watched Garnet disappear into the bustling marketplace, a sense of quiet satisfaction settling over her. This was her Jamaica, her community. Protecting it, not just as a police officer, but as Rosie Rose, the girl who still felt the sand between her toes, was more than just a job. It was a calling. And with every recovered bag, every calmed argument, every act of kindness, she was answering the call, one afro curl at a time.